How to remove credit card on TikTok. So first of all, launch TikTok app on your mobile devices. Now from here, go to your profile. Once you come to your profile, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. From here, under Assets, tap on Balance. Now over here, you would be able to see your estimated balance. Tap on this option. Now once you come to this page, tap on the three dots option. Then go ahead and select Payout Methods. Now from here, you can see your country or region. You can add at most 2 countries or regions to add payout methods from. So if you have added any of the payment methods, you would be able to see it over here. So all you would have to do is select on that specific payout methods you wish to delete. So now in my case, I do not have any payment methods added. If you have any payment methods added, at the bottom you would be able to see the option of Remove Payment Method. So this is the way through which you could remove your payment method or credit card on TikTok. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.